Hello you guys! I have decided I am going to kind of vlog some behind the scenes of some packages I've received. I guess you can kind of call them PR packages, or just some packages that brands have sent me, and I really want to kind of compile them all into a video and show you kind of what that side of posting on social media can do. Now, I don't have 1 million subscribers, I don't have any of that kind of stuff, but I'm a very small creator, and I was like, I wish people would be more realistic like this. So here's my video.
Okay, let's go.
You are gonna see me kind of hop around a little bit. I have videos that I've recorded before that I'm gonna add into this, so I apologize if they're, in a 9x13, but it is not 9x13. That's a cake pan. You know what I mean. Short form content, okay? But we have a couple of things that we've gotten, and today I actually received over the weekend, I'll be honest, over the weekend, and I did open it already, so if you follow me on my socials, you've already seen some of the stuff. But guys, I received this large package the other day. So when I tell you probably a month ago, I had this brand reach out to me. They just messaged me on Instagram and was like, hey, we love your content. We love what you've been doing. Can we send you a gift? Yes. Who's gonna say no to that? Absolutely, you can send me a gift. I'm not hugely knowledgeable on this brand, but it's a really well-known brand, honestly, and I do have a couple of products from them that I've used. I've used their clarifying shampoo on myself. I've used a few of their dry styling products in my hair bag, and then I also use their purple shampoo in salon. So the brand is Amika. I can't believe this. And when I tell you, they filled up this box for me just of products. So let's go through the products that they gave me. A touchable hairspray called Flexus. Headstrong, this is their intense hairspray. So this is gonna be like your strong hold. The one before is gonna be like a soft hold, kind of light to medium. They sent me Perk Up dry shampoo. Also, the packaging is adorable. Not 100% my vibe in my salon, but honestly, I don't care. I also got Soulstruck Nourishing Dry Hair Mask. Now, this kind of reminds me of that IGK hair mask, or basically a dry hair mask. You spray it into your hair, and it's supposed to help smooth all your frizz, all of that kind of stuff. Very excited to try this. They also sent me the Shield. It is a anti-humidity spray, so this is going to be great for on to go, for my brides and those types of things where humidity is an issue. Obviously, I live in Tennessee, so this is gonna be a good one to try. Okay, now for wet styling products, they sent me the Wizard. It is a detangling primer. So this is supposed to be different than a leave-in detangler. This is a detangling primer. Very excited to try. They also sent me their Hydro Rush Intensive Moisture Leave-In. I have heard nothing but good things about this. So this is gonna be really great, especially for in salon when I do color corrections, full highlights, those types of things. It's just really nice to have quite a few different products to have for different hair types. So I have some hair repair, I have oils, those types of things, but something like this could be a little bit heavier if you have fine hair, so I wouldn't really want to use this. But if you have thicker hair, coarse hair like myself, this is going to be a great option in salon. So very excited to try it. Hopefully, I should say hopefully. Next is Brooklyn Bombshell. It is a blowout spray. This is going to be a hard one for me. I absolutely love the Kenra blowout spray. I really like Color Wow, but Kenra has kind of stolen my heart, especially because of the smell, and my clients' hearts, honestly. But everybody knows Amika smells good, so I am very interested to give this a shot. Next, they sent me the Super Nova Moisturizing Shine Cream. This is also a leave-in. This is supposed to be a little bit lighter weight than the Hydro Rush, so this is also a good option for somebody with fine hair. It's really just like a leave-in, so it helps with flyaways, tangles, those types of things. And then I also got the Curl Core. This is defining cream, so this is going to be really good for my curly hair girls and my curly extension girls. I'm so excited to give this a shot. And last but not least, probably the most excited I am to try the Superfruit Star Hair Oil. It is a lightweight styling oil. This oil is a lightweight oil, but it also has heat protectant in it. Obviously, it's a hair oil. It's supposed to be good for frizz, for shine, those types of things. But I really love that it is a heat protectant as well. I don't feel like that happens a lot. And a lot of their hair products are dual purpose heat protectant. So that's really, really cool. And honestly, I didn't really know that about them. So I'm excited to give these a shot. Okay, so I received some PR boxes. So let's get into them. First things first, I have been on this PR list since like January, and honestly, I still can't believe it. Every time a package comes to my door, I'm taken aback because how did I manage this? How did I manage this? I don't know, if I'm being honest. Have no idea. But I do know what's in here because obviously I follow them on Instagram. But guys, let's open it. I probably had this for like 2 weeks. I want to film it in my new suite, and it's kind of just been sitting there peeking in the corner back there, and so I am so excited about it. Let's see what we got. Do I look like a real influencer? Love, 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 love for one. So it comes with this, I don't know what this is for, but I love it. I might actually hang this up over on my shelves over there because I think that would be really cute to just have. This is an Olaplex salon. Duh. So this is the new Olaplex Shine Serum Oil Mist. So it is number 7, but it's in a spray. I cannot wait to try it. So here's what the PR package looks like. A little bonding oil, their regular number 7, tried and true. And then I also got the new shine spray, so it kind of separates. I hope you can see that. But you shake it and it's supposed to be like a shine serum spray. So it's just oil that can like go on your dry hair too. And I'm really, really excited to try this. And then Olaplex X Poppy. What? Like little lemon lime sodas. I don't think I've ever really tried Poppy. Tried like Olipop, so this is really, really cool. And I love lemon lime. So that's what came in this box. Up next, so this brand, this technically isn't a PR box, but they reached out to me. I had never heard of it before. It's a UK brand, and I believe it's called Shampoo. That's how it's spelled, Shampoo. They reached out asking if they could send me some products for me to try and then see if this is something that I would want to carry in salon, which if you don't know, I don't carry any retail product or anything like that I don't love. So I have Verb Ghost Oil, K18, Kenra Blowout Spray, Olaplex, and some from our brushes. That's the only thing I carry in salon retail wise, because I know that it works. And like, I'm not just gonna put stuff up on my shelves that I'm not using. It just, why would I do that? But they offered to send me a package. Oh no, not this. I hate this stuff. Of things that would be, so you do like a little hair test. Okay, so it's Ancient Wisdom for Modern Hair is what it says. This is the Vata Hydrating System. So it will come a targeted 3-step system for dry, difficult, or damaged hair, including our clinically proven Pita Growth Serum. It intensely hydrates, smooths, and strengthens for a visibly healthier looking, manageable hair. I believe this would be a shampoo, depth conditioner, and oh my god, look how cute this packaging is for one. Love that. This is so cute. I like that it has a little thingy on it. But yeah, I'm really excited. Smell test. Ooh, I couldn't even tell you what that is, but it smells good. It almost smells kind of nutty. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. So their growth serum in the shampoo and conditioner. This is the Vita Hydrating. So I'm really excited to try this. I will be testing this out on myself prior to bringing anything in salon, if I'm being 100% honest, because it's important to me. Also, I already asked, is this safe for extensions? Is it safe for that kind of stuff? It is sulfate free. They did say absolutely safe for extensions. A lot of my clients wear extensions. So before I even think about adding something else into the salon, I need to make sure I know what's in it. But very excited to try. So thank you so much for sending me this. And y'all, I know this might be cringy to some people, but honestly, like getting packages like this, being able to try products, get my hands on products for my clients, it means the absolute world to me. I cannot express that enough. So thank you to Olaplex and to Shampoo for sending me. Hopefully that's how you say it, or I'm gonna sound like an idiot. And I hope I get to do so many more unboxings with you guys. See you later. I cannot say how much all of this means to me. I literally can't even believe that brands find me and think we should send her products. It's really, really awesome. And I just can't believe that this is my life right now, but it is, and I'm just gonna be appreciative. And thank you to all of you guys who watch my content. That's the only reason that I'm getting any opportunities to work with brands, to receive products from brands. Also, like, thank you to the brands. I'm not 100% like your normal hairstylist content creator, I guess, but I am very thankful to get the opportunity to try out these products. And yeah, gonna have to add something to my PR shop. But yeah, so that was today's package.
Okay, let's go.